it with tongs.
And I just put it in.
You just
Will it happen?
drop it in, and then it'll happen a little bit. Then you got to put some warm water in. Not too much. Not too much. Yeah. That should do it. Now add warm water. It's going to really flow over. Now warm water. 1, 2, 3. Come on, where's the lava? This should be lava as well. Where's the lava? Drive out to the western suburbs very early this morning and get it from a gas shop. I'm a bit disappointed. There should be red lava coming out as well.
You can see bits of red.
It's about 50 pieces over.
Is that edible now? Can I ask?
That's probably enough.
Oh, should I put more of that?
No.
It's dry ice cake.
Oh, that is just.
That looks so cool.
That's so.
I mean, I think the smoke
Go.
is good.
Yeah. Oh!
Is the cake edible?
Yeah, it was.
It's never ending. Stop. We would have ate the cake.
I don't think it's
I just love how you're. Oh, your kids will love this one.
It's amazing. Yay,